Put up only. Put up only. Put up only.
Sabi mo na
OC kayo ko to.
Put up OC. Wala lang.
Okay. O sino? Put up OC. Rotation the guard room, okay? DPS get ready. I will do fake first. The engaging. Counter engage now. East 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 minute. Crown. Just stop on crown.
Watch that. They have 2 engages.
Okay, go back. Yeah, 2 engages sila man, 2 engages. Go back.
Don't
Can
rush
someone
to
check my
your-
shaper?
Ano? Your
Tell me
ball.
percentage of the gate.
They're
DPS
bonking
now, ready.
southwest.
Gate now, gate. 5,
First gate is
4,
gone.
3, 2, 1 minute. Gate. Pami, gate. Go back. Tell me percentage of the gate.
50.
Okay, go second floor for now. We give up first floor. Okay?
36
We
now.
give up
36.
first floor.
Yeah, be careful. Don't stay
West,
there.
Yeah.
West, Cooks.
Okay,
Cooks,
come to me.
West Brook.
Okay, come to me second floor. Okay, I need someone to look in the west side.
Jerry,
6 minutes.
Jerry. What the heck, Jerry?
Going out.
Your AB ko?
Okay.
What was that? AFK?
Get DC, boss.
Your AB
DPS get ready.
there.
Okay, everyone get ready on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone gate now. Back.
They're blocking southwest.
Back na. Broke na.
Di ba?
Just first gate. Broke first
Two
gate.
gates are broken in the southwest. Two gates.
Oh, a Porsche
Nice,
white.
double.
Nice.
Nice.
Hold on.
Uy, what the fuck, man? That's
Clear
10.
comms.
Ah, they're looking.
DPS na ready. On we gate. 5, 4, 3, 2,
Yo, we have
1.
hills.
Everyone gate now. Gate. Crown. This stop. Oh my god, I'm dead. Second call.
Hold.
Matay ka?
Just hold.
Yeah, second call.
Wala. Careful with that. I want ditang watching that mo. Okay. Can you mark me?
Sino?
I will pass the lead.
I'm inside. Come inside for now.
5 minutes.
IGN man. IGN.
Bricks.
Bricks terrific. I'm sorry.
Iles, I mark. Pass the lead.
50% gate.
Okay. Just hold it. Careful. I want you to watch the bomb. Okay. Gate info. Are they bonking the suicide? Wait. Just hold. Wait. Just hold. Spread.
West is good.
Wait. Hold. Okay. We're just gonna engage on shallow, okay? Shallow. On me now, on the crown. In
They're
3,
looking. They're looking.
2, 1. Just shallow. Then go back and spread. Good damage. Go back and spread. Spread. Nice. Hold. Just hold.
Bite. Don't stay there.
Wait. Just hold. Kiss and doubles on the guys inside. Careful. Defend shallow. Wait. Hold. Spread. Do we have engage? Tell me. Spread. Yeah. Spread.
Nice bomb.
Okay. Wait. Just shallow now. Just on the gate. In 3, 2, 1. Just on the gate. Kill this guy. Good damage. Go back and spread. Just spread.
Ranging up.
Yeah. Okay. Wait. Spread. Don't stack up on the gate. Just spread. Tell me. Are you up? DPS. Are you up? Okay. Look.
Yeah. Up.
Okay. Look inside. Just shallow. On script ties. In 3, 2, 1. On script ties now. Nice. Good damage. Nice. We're killing them. Just spread. Relax. Just spread. They're doing nothing.
Engage on top.
Yeah. I want the
Oy, def tank. Going deep, def tanks.
spread. Let them.
Why you need to stay there?
Let them. Just spread.
Ready, DPS,
Okay.
ready.
Ready. Shallow now. In 3, 2, 1. Headbutt on the gate. Headbutt. Nice. Good damage. Spread. Keep on spreading. Spread. Heal up. Stabilize. Wait. Hold.
2 minutes, boss.
Hold. Q's W's on this bonkers. Q's W's on the bonkers. Just spread.
Bro,
Just spread.
30%
Relax.
on the gate.
Yeah. Careful, careful, careful. Careful shallow,
Careful.
careful shallow, careful shallow. Wait,
Back,
wait, 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 wait. Wait, 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 wait,
2% tayo,
wait, wait. Yeah. How many? 22. Go to
22.
the Lord room.
18,
Go to the Lord room. Go to the Lord room now. We're gonna play in the catapult, ha?
Careful over the wall, careful over the wall.
Careful over the wall. Don't peek there. Don't peek over the wall.
They
Spread, okay? Don't climb up, okay? Okay? D-Tanks, hold with
me.
me. Yeah. D-Tanks, hold with me. D-Tanks, hold with me. Careful over the wall. I'm telling you, careful over the wall. Hold with me, D-Tanks. Okay, just spread. I want supports nearby, okay? We're gonna go for headbutts here. Wait.
Engage, engage.
In the walls. Yeah, okay. Walk. Just walk. And we're gonna engage shallow, okay? Look to me. Shallow. On the ground. In 3, 2, 1. Just shallow now. Then spread. Defend. Nice. Go to the Lord room and spread.
They're flooding.
Relax. They're doing nothing yet. Pop Giga. Defense. Spread on the Lord room. Regroup inside. Tell me if you're cool down. Tell me if you're up. Wait. Spread. Okay, inside.